to a container home. The story of answered prayers as a single mother gets help with a safe shelter for her and her 3 boys in Tawes, Meadows, Spanish Town, St. Catherine. Krista Campbell has this primetime news follow-up.
Thank you again, CM Recycle. I'm now a house owner.
Words Onika Buchanan never thought she'd be saying, at least not anytime soon. That's because the single mother has been struggling so long inside this dilapidated house in Tawes Meadows, Spanish Town, St. Catherine. In January this year, TVJ News highlighted Onika's daily fight to keep her 3 boys, ages 5, 10, and 12 years old, fed and sheltered. A struggle made worse since the passage of Hurricane Melissa, as the board structure, which already left much to be desired, started to leak like a sieve. When our news team first interviewed Onika, she did not want to reveal her identity. A friend explained.
At first, when time it come out, a lot of people bashing her, yes, because them send a lot of video to my phone and say, where is a friend? I want to go and fear me. Say them say, I don't want nobody to send me not now.
Oh, look at me now. Look at me now.
But look at Onika when our news team went back to visit her in her brand new container home. It started with a phone call from CM Recycling Company Limited, which deals in scrap metal and haulage. Then the old board structure had to be demolished and foundation strengthened for the new container house.
Hopefully it can be of help to them, can ease some of the pressure for the time being, and help them now to shelter from the rain. And it is fitted with a room, bathroom, and a little area they can use for other areas, other things.
Me myself never know it will happen so fast because it's almost a week. Now I got a call, and to see this happen so fast, you know, I'm so overjoyed. I'm feeling good.
I know everything about our situation, what's going on. And now I'm glad that him have something can show a key into him hand.
With the help of international partners, CM Recycling has been issuing container homes to victims of Hurricane Melissa at a cost of close to $2 million each. It's also given relief supplies and building materials. But of all the donations she's received from the company, Onika says there's one room she's most excited about.
Finally, I got a bathroom, which was my biggest problem.
CM Recycling says it will be delivering another 40 container houses, mainly to western parishes hard hit by the hurricane. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.